over here, girls.
Okay. Oh, Daddy,
A little video of how the exhaust sounds from the inside. Right now it's with the Borla exhaust. It's not too loud, you know, through regular driving, but obviously when you get on it, it does open up. But we'll compare this to after when I put on the Corsa catback. About to get the Corsa that I polished up, I cleaned up. I bought it used, but it looks brand new right now. But we're about to get that installed on GTO. Once he's done with that, I think it's like a Ford Fusion that's on the lift. Hopefully he lets me take some videos, you know, while he's working. But if not, it's all good. I trust the guy. I originally brought the GTO here when I first got it to put on the Borla exhaust. He does an awesome job. He's worked on all our cars, our Camaros, my brother's F-body, my dad's trucks, everything that we have that's exhaust related, and we always bring in here. So yeah, man. So hopefully within the next half hour or so he'll be able to start on the GTO, and can't wait to see how it sounds with that Corsa catback, dude. this one all tacked up, welded up. Now he's doing this one. It's almost done. He's gonna tack it up, weld the back of the muffler to the pipe, and after that, just do the hangers for the tips on each side. We should be ready to vote. catback life, you know what I mean?